So today's topic is standard or canonical SOP and POS form. So in our examination, university examination, they may ask the question standard SOP form or canonical SOP form. So both are same. So let me explain first standard SOP form. So what is standard SOP? So each term consists of all the literal in the complement or uncomplement form. So each term consists of all the literals in the complement or uncomplement form. Example, y equal to ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar. So it's an example logical expression. So this logical expression comes under standard form or non-standard form. So here the statement is each term consists of all the literals. So this logic expression is a 3-variable expression. So here literals are A, B, C. So each term consists of all the literals in the complement or uncomplement form. So here literal is ABC. The first term is ABC plus A, B bar, C. Here B bar is the complement form. Here C bar is the complement form. So each term covered all the literals. So it comes under standard SOP form. It comes under standard SOP form or canonical SOP form because all the terms covered with all the literals. Then come to standard POS. So here also each term consists of all the literals in the complement or uncomplement form. Example, y equal to A plus B plus C bar dot A plus B bar plus C dot A bar plus B plus C. So let me consider each term. So each term consists of all the literals. So this expression also 3-variable. Literals are A, B, C. So let me consider first term. So this first term consists of all the literals with complement or uncomplement form. So C is the complement form, B bar is the complement, here A is the complement of A literal. So this expression comes under standard POS form. Then come to this table. So in this table given the 4 expression. So these 4 logical expression comes under standard SOP or non-standard SOP, standard POS or non-standard POS that they will find. So let me consider the first expression y equal to AB plus ABC bar plus A bar BC. So already I told each term consists of all the literals. So this expression comes under 3-variable. The literals are A, B, C. So the first term. So first term is missing the C. So C variable is missing. Remaining 2 terms cover the 3 literals. So it's not comes under standard. So it's a non-standard form. Then take the second expression y equal to AB plus AB bar plus A bar B. So this expression comes under 2 variable. The variables are A, B. So each term consists of all the literals. So here literal is A, B. So first term AB, second term A dot B bar, third term A bar dot B. So it comes under standard SOP. So it comes under standard SOP form. Then take the third expression y equal to A bar plus B dot A plus B dot A plus B bar. So it's also 2 variable. So it's also 2 variable logic expression A, B. So let me consider the first term a bar plus b. So the condition is satisfied. Then a plus b. The two letters are comes here. A plus b bar. Two letters are comes here. So it's a standard POS form. So it's a standard product of sum. Then next one, fourth expression y equal to a bar plus b, a plus b plus c. So this expression comes under three variable a comma b comma c. So in the second term it cover all the literals, but first term it missing c. So c variable is missing. So this expression is comes under non-standard POS form. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.